Let's start from the beginning. So, what exactly is affiliate marketing? It simply means you promote someone else's product, and when a person buys through your special link, you earn a commission. The best part is, you don't need to create a product, handle any shipping, or manage customer support. This link basically tells the company, hey, this customer came from you. First, you need to join an affiliate program. There are tons of them out there, like Amazon Associates, Fiverr Affiliates, the Darius Affiliate Program. Many software companies like Canva, Grammarly, and Hostinger also have their own programs. Once you apply and get approved, the company gives you a unique tracking link. That's because the system saved your tracking code. This time window is called the cookie duration, and it can vary from program to program. Okay, let's get to the good part, how you actually earn money. Digital products on platforms like ClickBank can offer huge commissions, sometimes between 30 to 80%. And with software products, you can even earn recurring monthly commissions. This dashboard shows you all the important stats, like clicks, sales, your conversion rate, total earnings, and any pending payments. Once you reach the minimum payout level, the company will pay you. Every company has its own minimum amount or threshold that you need to hit. It's a true win-win partnership.